Good evening, UK. It's Friday, 8 o'clock, and we are back to take you to the beautiful Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir. It's RJ Lalit and RJ Shefalika.
Hello, everybody, and good evening, and welcome to this special edition of songs from Jammu and Kashmir. Lalit, it's been a very good week, hasn't it? With the Navratra festival coming to an end now.
Yes, it is a beautiful week, and the weather has been playing up a little bit. We've had a lot of rain. Um, let's start the program today. The first song I'm going to play you is a Dogri song and from Jammu region. Of course, many people think that Jammu is just a city, but Jammu actually is a region which has 10 districts, जैसे Rajouri, Udhampur, Kathua, Samba, Kishtwar, Badarwa, and all these are different districts of Jammu region and beautiful area. So the first song which I'm playing is Chanmara Chadya. In this song, the lover is telling her beloved that please come and meet me. पंछी बन जाओ, बर्ड बन जाओ, पंख लगा के आ जाओ, मुझे मिल के जाओ. और वो बता रहे हैं कि चांद आज कभी तो वो चांद रियासी में निकला है जो एक जगह है वहां पर, कभी रजौरी पे पहुंच गया है, लेकिन तुम आ जाओ. सो इट्स अ ब्यूटिफुल सॉन्ग. आई होप यूल एंजॉय.
lovely song. And Jammu, as you say, it's got quite a few districts, isn't it? We only think of Jammu as one place, and all the districts are one. Each one is more beautiful than the other. So let's go to Kashmir now, the Valley of Romance. And as the listeners might have noticed, most of the songs from Kashmir are about romance and going around in gardens and parks and singing. So the next song is by a young and upcoming singer. His name is Rahul Vanchu, and it's a really nice and soothing song, obviously a romantic one, where he's asking his beloved that if she comes, then his aching heart will get some respite. So he's trying to ask her to come. Really, when you will come, only then I can rest a bit. And then on and on it goes, the song. So the music is very nice. It's very soothing, and the lyrics are even better. So it's one of my favorite songs. And of course, from when you hear a song by a new singer, it's always very nice. So let's hear a song by Rahul Vanchu, Yele Jana and it's Relium.
Yele janan ralam ad balam dil pe maro Yele janan ralam ad balam dil pe maro daag jigra salam ad balam dil pe maro Yele janan ralam kol yele tot kalam zal panjaras gachlur paro kol yele tot kalam zal panjaras gachlur paro has hosh rang medalam ad balam dil be maro Yele janan ralam ab zamzam chhalam asad miras dil gumano ab zamzam chhalam asad miras dil gumano rahmatik jam balam ad balam dil be maro rahmatik jam balam ad balam dil be maro Yele janan ralam ad balam dil be maro
Lovely song by a young artist, Rahul Vanchu. It's so beautiful to see upcoming young artists doing so well, and it means that our music, our languages are still there and it's still attracting the youngsters to sing in our languages. Lovely. Now, the next song we have takes us back to the Jammu region, and it is a Dogri song which is famous by the name of Chenchlo and Kunjua. These are names of a couple which are very famous in जम्मू रीजन. जैसे कि आप सब ने सोनी महिवाल का नाम सुना है, हीर रांझा का नाम सुना है, रोमियो जूलियट का नाम सुना है. जम्मू रीजन में एक बहुत फेमस लव कपल होता था जिनका नाम था चेंचलो और कुंजुआ. कुंजुआ was a soldier in the Raja's army and Chenchlo was a maid for the queen, and they both loved each other a lot. And what happens is there was a wazir who was eyeing on Chenchlo, and he did not want Kunjua to get Chenchlo. So he sends off Kunjua to a battle and gets him killed. However, his soul comes and meets Chenchlo, and that's when Chenchlo also leaves her soul and she dies, and they both meet in heaven. It's a famous story, Chenchlo and Kunjua, and here is the song Chenchlo Kunjua.
चंचलो कुंजुआ चंचलो कुंजुआ
लांदा कुंजो लांदा कुंजो मेरे त्रुटि जंदे पीड़े है मेरी ये जिंदे मेरे त्रुटि जंदे पीड़े
ਵੀੜੇ ਦਾ ਬਸੋਸ ਨਹੀਂ ਲਾਇਆ ਚੰਚਲੋ ਵੀੜੇ ਦਾ ਬਸੋਸ ਨਹੀਂ ਲਾਇਆ
Okay, nice song. This theme is so universal, where you have he, Ranja, Soni, Mahewal, and now in Jammu region we have Chinchilla and Kunjua. In West you have Romeo and Juliet. So I think the theme has been, like taken. It's happened in so many parts of the world where star-crossed lovers not destined to meet, and then eventually both of them die. Actually, if you watch, you were saying, Lalit, that you watched a play of this, and it was
Yes.
really sad. Yeah, so like Romeo and Juliet, that is sad as well. So let's move to the next song. Is by another young singer, Vibha Saraf and Mudassar Ali. It's again a very nice, very soothing, and the lyrics are fantastic. Now, this song was also used by a video produced by Kashmir Tourism. It was used as a backdrop, where a lot of people must have seen it. It was very popular, that video where people were asked to visit the state. It was a state that time, and so they showed a couple coming to Kashmir, and one elderly gentleman was showing them around the place. Beautiful places, Pahalgam, Gulmarg, Sonamarg, and houseboats and Dal Lake. And in the backdrop, this really nice and soothing song with santoor and sitar, and it was playing. So it was that, yeah, I really liked the song. So let's listen to Sahibo by Vibha and Mudassir.
Yusuf banit sidrak dal salas Laran pachas chan tsaye
That was a wonderful song. And now from Sahibo Sahibo, we are going back to Dogri. Dogri is the language of Jammu region, and everybody hears, most of the people here speak Dogri. And recently, Dogri has been recognized as a language, also in schools and in curriculum. So the next song is very special because it has been sung by a young brother and sister. We call them the Dugar siblings, Ruhi and Juhi Singh. They are children of Suraj Singh ji, who is our legend in Dogri singing. It's a beautiful song which says Dogri da maan rakhyo, which means respect your language, speak your language, don't forget your language.
डोगरे ओ डोगरी दा मान रखियो डोगरी ने पूरी पहचान रखियो
पतली जुबानी दा शिकार नहीं बने पूरा इस गले दा ध्यान रखियो होए
डोगरे ओ डोगरी दा मान रखियो डोगरी ने पूरी पहचान रखियो अखली जुबानी दा शिकार नहीं बने पूरा इस गले दा ध्यान रखियो मिठी है जलेबियां दे साईं डोगरी
मिसरी ते मक्खन मलाई डोगरी
मिठी है जलेबियां दे साईं डोगरी
मिसरी ते मक्खन मलाई डोगरी
इयां बुलंदी जियां चले ठंडी बो
रोसली तारे चाई डोगरी
इयां बुलंदी जियां चले ठंडी बो
रोसली तारे चाई डोगरी
थारे थारे दाउन जान रखियो पूरा इस गले दा ते गान रखियो ओए डोगरे ओ डोगरी दा मान रखियो डोगरी ने पूरी पहचान रखियो
डोगरी दी माऊ दे सतुल समझो
के साड़ी डोगरी दा मुल्ल समझो
डोगरी दी माऊ दे सतुल समझो
के साड़ी डोगरी दा मुल्ल समझो
तारे च डोगरी की नहीं बोलना
केड़ी बड्डी करा दे ओ पुल्ल समझो
तारे च डोगरी की नहीं बोलना
केड़ी बड्डी करा दे ओ पुल्ल समझो डोगरी दी सारी दी जबान रखियो पूरा इस गले दा ते गान रखियो ओए डोगरे ओ डोगरी दा मान रखियो डोगरी दी पूरी पहचान रखियो तवी ते जनाब दी ए तार डोगरी
फुल्ले आले रस्से दी फुहार डोगरी
तवी ते जनाब दी ए तार डोगरी
फुल्ले आले रस्से दी फुहार डोगरी
बड़े ते बड़ोई दी बजोंदी ऐ छां
निक्के निक्के फंगे दी डुमार डोगरी
बड़े ते बड़ोई दी बजोंदी ऐ छां
ओए निक्के निक्के फंगे दी डुमार डोगरी
मने च दा सन्मान रखियो पूरा इस गले दा ते गान रखियो ओए डोगरे ओ डोगरी दा मान रखियो डोगरी ने पूरी पहचान रखियो
पतली जुबानी दा शिकार नहीं बने पूरा इस गले दा ध्यान रखियो डोगरे ओ डोगरी दा मान रखियो डोगरी ने पूरी पहचान रखियो डोगरी ने पूरी पहचान रखियो
What a lovely voice, especially when the singers are in the same family. It's all the more interesting. And I think Lalit, you've played their songs before, and they seem to be really popular
Yes.
in Dogri culture, isn't it? So yeah, and it's great for not just for all Dogris, for the whole Union Territory to listen to such young people singing in such a beautiful voice. So from youngsters, let's move to a veteran. Kashmiri singer, Dr. Dipali Vatal. I think I have played a few of
Yes,
her
you have
songs
played her songs before.
before,
She's very
but
popular.
she's somebody who has been coming up with more and more songs over the years. And the good thing about Dipali is that she sings both in Dogri and Kashmiri. I think she's one of the few singers who sings. She's very proficient in both the languages, and so you can't make when you listen to her singing in Dogri, you can't really make out that she's Kashmiri. So let's and like I've said before, a lot of Kashmiri songs, they're a combination between romantic and praying to God. So you can use the song either way. So like this song, it talks about कि जिंदगी बहुत छोटी है और बहुत ही लिमिटेड है. तो तुम्हारी और हमारी मुलाकात बहुत ही छोटी है, तो चलो लेट्स मेक द मोस्ट ऑफ इट. So if you use it in the context of a prayer, it is telling God that my life is really short, so I want to spend it my entire life in your devotion. If you use it in a romantic context, it is again the life is short. Let's spend it together. So let's listen to Dr. Dipali Vatal, नाज़नीन यार मैंने ये छु मुलाकात. ये यही है, छोटी सी मुलाकात है. चलो इसी को एंजॉय करते हैं.
नाज़नीन यार म्यानी छु मुलाकात नाज़नीन यार म्यानी छु मुलाकात ये छु मुलाकात लगत नाज़नीन यार म्यानी छु मुलाकात 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 कस छै बरात यवान कस छै बरात यवान कस हुन जनाज़ निवान कस हुन जनाज़ निवान कस छै बरात यवान कस हुन जनाज़ निवान आछ सदा नाल दिवान कस आसान मजरा नाज़नीन यार म्यानी छु मुलाकात नाज़नीन यार म्यानी छु मुलाकात ये छु मुलाकात लगे नाज़नीन यार म्यानी छु मुलाकात नाज़नीन यार म्यानी छु मुलाकात नाज़नीन यार म्यानी छु मुलाकात गाह में कुरुम जाने जाने गाह में कुरुम जाने जून लगी जून जरा जून लगी जून जरा अस्पगत करते करा अस्पगत करते करा जून लगी जून जरा अस्पगत करते करा जान बास लुक्ष बुछा मुंते पमेन जाता नाजनीर यार म्यानी छु मुलाकात नाजनीर यार म्यानी छु मुलाकात ये छु मुलाकात लगे
Beautiful, mesmerizing voice of Dipali Wattal. I have always liked her voice quality, and yes, she's special as she sings in both the languages of the state, now Union Territory, Jammu and Kashmir, Dogri and Kashmiri. Now, the next song I'm going to play you in Dogri is one of my favorite songs because it is very peppy. It is a dancing number, and it is called Loka Kadu Chuk Goriye. It's a ghada जिसमें पानी लाते हैं. वो बोल रहे कि गोरिये इसको उठाओ, लेकिन अपना कमर को संभाल के, कहीं तुम्हारी कमर में कोई लचक ना आ जाए. और क्योंकि पहाड़ों में रहते हैं तो बोल रहे धीरे धीरे चलो, अपना पाँव संभाल के रखना, ऊंची पहाड़ी हैं, कहीं तुम्हारा पाँव नहीं फिसल जाए. सो ही इज़ वेरी concerned about his beloved, and he's warning her, take all the care and take care of your body, take care of your waist, take care of your the way you walk. So it's a beautiful song, Loka Gadu Chuk Goriye.
लौका कड़ू चुक गोरिये है लौका कड़ू चुक गोरिये लौका कड़ू चुक गोरिये है लौका कड़ू चुक गोरिये कुत्ते लचकानी खाई जा लक हो लौका कड़ू लौका कड़ू लौका कड़ू चुक गोरिये है लौका कड़ू चुक गोरिये संभली संभली पैर टकाया संभली संभली पैर टकाया बट्टे दे ठेड ने डिग नी जाया बट्टे दे ठेड ने डिग नी जाया अजय चढ़ना है ओ अजय चढ़ना है ओ अजय चढ़ना है उचड़ा टक हो लौका कड़ू चुक गोरिये है लौका कड़ू चुक गोरिये कुत्ते लचकानी खाई जा लक हो लौका कड़ू चुक गोरिये है लौका कड़ू चुक गोरिये पली मालती सोल बेचारी पली मालती सोल बेचारी लक पतला ते गागर पारी लक पतला ते गागर पारी तू चुकिया ने परदा मट हो लौका कड़ू चुक गोरिये है लौका कड़ू चुक गोरिये कुत्ते लचकाने खाई जा लक हो लौका कड़ू चुक गोरिए है लौका कड़ू चुक गोरिए पूरन चंदू शर्मा मारा पूरन चंदू शर्मा मारा बदले ओले छप बेचारा बदले ओले छप बेचारा छप बेचारा अल मस्तादी मने मत हो लौका कड़ू चुक गोरिए है लौका कड़ू चुक गोरिए कुते लचकानी खाई जा लक हो लौका कड़ू चुक गोरिए है लौका कड़ू चुक गोरिए है लौका कड़ू चुक गोरिए कुते लचकानी खाई जा लक हो लौका कड़ू चुक गोरिए है लौका कड़ू चुक गोरिए
What a nice song, and it almost I could visualize the young ladies fetching water over the hills, and trying to avoid the pebbles on the path. Such a beautiful sight. Let's move to another Kashmiri song. Now, this Kashmiri song is very special because it's a lullaby actually, and so when the kids are small, it's you sit and your parents sing it to you. It's supposed to be composed by a very a spiritual saint of Kashmir called Lalit, and she has written the lyrics for this song. It's a very mystical song. It talks about God. It talks about the third eye. It talks about God is there, I'm here, and when we are going to meet. So there's a lot of different things the song talks about. But I remember when we were small, we always used to sit, and then our grandparents or parents used to sing this song to us. That time, obviously, you don't understand the lyrics, but it was like a really fast and catchy song, and we all like grew up singing this to each other. So now this song in this latest form has been sung by Ava Hanjura, and she's a very famous singer. And the song is Hukkus Bukkus Telvin Sokkus. Who are you? Who am I? No one knows. So these are the kind of lyrics that this song has. But she's given it her own special touch. Let's listen to Ava.
Hukkus bukkus televan tsukkus Unnum battuklutum degi Hukkus bukkus televan tsukkus Unnum battuklutum degi Schwas kich kich vamano Brahmandaran point chokum Tekis takha bani kyo Hukkus bukkus televan tsukkus Moho battuklutum degi Schwas kich kich vamano Brahmandaran point chokum Tekis takha bani kyo पिश्त पिश्त प्यारो खुद को वन तोर क्यों हो वो लुथ बबरेपन पिश्त पिश्त प्यारो खुद को वन तोर क्यों हो वो लुथ बबरेपन सुका मन छो कुथ को तरन को तर पीठी मार कन zoom छैगे कुदान तार कन Hokus pokus televan sukus mohobat tukludum dek schwas kich kich vamano brahman zaran point chokum tekis takavani kyo Zun mai zuni angan myangan zoi taji Zun mai zuni angan myangan tim kas kanye rayas kanye rai kya dut nai khas gur vas vinna Zun mai zuni angan myangan zoi taji Zun mai zuni angan myangan tim kas kanye rayas kanye rai kya dyut nai khas gur vas vinna vas vinna Hokus pokus televan sukus honum batuk ludum deg schwas kich kich vamano brahman zaran point chokum tekis takavani kyo Hokus pokus televan sukus honum batuk ludum deg schwas kich kich vamano brahman zaran point chokum tekis takavani kyo
Beautiful lullaby by Abha Hanjura. If I remember rightly, she's the one who's sung the other songs as well. Some of her songs have come in some Bollywood movies as well.
Yes, she's very famous that way, and she's very young and talented, so why not?
Yeah. Okay, so we are going to the next Dogri song. This song has been sung by a very young and upcoming artist of Jammu. She's actually from Udhampur, district Udhampur, and her name is Sars Bharti. She is the daughter of Rumalo Ramji, who's a very famous local folk artist. And this family is a magical family. They are so much into Dogra arts and culture. They've been promoting it all around the country. They sing so well, they dance so well, they perform so well. The whole family is a fabulous performing family, and I absolutely love her. Sars Bharti is like a little sister to me, and she sings so beautifully. I wish her all the best in life. And the song goes like Miki Rang de Dupatta Lalaria Kanne Lai de Tu Gota Kinaria. So it is about she's asking the dyer to dye her dupatta and in a red color, and also to put the gota kinari and make it beautiful, and how everybody will be jealous. So listen to this beautiful song.
beautiful songs. We've had such a great time today, Lalit. We've listened to a wide variety of songs, isn't it?
Indeed.
From
Beautiful.
romantic to singing in the hills, and to a mystical song as well. And towards the end, I would like to play another romantic song. It's always good to end on a romantic note. Again, it's a duet sung by Sakshi Holkar and Ishfaq. It's as usual as all romantic songs. They talk about, oh, you are my sun, and you are my moon, and I'm waiting for you. When are you going to come? And my heart is aching, and it would only get better when I see you. So I think the what I've come to realize listening to all Kashmiri songs, the lyrics are more or less, the romantic lyrics are more or less about all this pining and waiting for the beloved, and so on and so forth. But the beauty of this song is, of course, Sakshi Holkar. She's a non-Kashmiri, and she has sung the song really well. She has really focused on the lyrics, and you can't really make out that Kashmiri is not her first language. And of course, the music is quite good. It's very soothing. It gives you a romantic feel. So I think I thought probably best to end to today's evening by listening to another romantic song. So let's listen to this duet.
अकेलटी वचहा चली है दो दे दिलास चली है दो दे दिलास बाहरोई चोनी अकेलटी वचहा चली है चली है दो दे दिलास चली है दो दे दिलास चली है दो दे दिलास
So that was all for tonight, and I hope you enjoyed. Good night, good evening. Have a beautiful, beautiful weekend, and we'll see you again next week on Friday, 8 p.m. Here signing off by Lalit.
And Shafalika, see you next time. Have a good evening.
Shabba khair.